Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation and 2 Variable, Exercise 3.3, second sum. We have already solved first 3 subdivision. We are going to continue with 4th and 5th subdivision. The 4th subdivision, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000. She asked the cashier to give in 500 and 100. Therefore, 500 how many notes we don't know, 100 how many notes we don't know. Therefore, for 50 notes will be, 50 and 100. Therefore, 50 notes will be X and 100 notes will be Y. Meena got total how many notes? 25 notes. Okay. The first equation will be total and the second equation will be of withdrawing 2000. So, we will be forming two equations and finding the notes, how many notes? 50 notes and how many 100 notes. Okay. We will be solving the fourth subdivision first. Fourth subdivision. Let the 50s notes is equal to x and hundreds note is equal to y. We don't know how many notes she got in 50s and how many notes in 100, but given that total notes is equal to 25, therefore x plus y equal to 25. We know it. And the second condition, she withdraw how much? 2000. Therefore, 50 into x plus 100 into y is equal to how much total is she withdraw? 2000. In the second equation, there is a common element which is 50. Therefore, divided by 50, we get divided by 50. 50 50 cancel. 1s are 1s are divided by 50. 1s are 2s are divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 table means 40. Therefore, x plus 2y equal to 40. This will be the equation number 3. Let us take, already we have took the equation number 2. Therefore, I am taking that equation number 3. Therefore, I took the equation number 1 as such and I am performing the subtraction at 3 minus 1 minus minus minus. Therefore, cancel, which is y equal to 15. Okay, it is easy. It is very easy to understand. Substitute this y in any one of the equation. I will be substituting in equation number 1. X plus 15 equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 minus 15, which is x is equal to 10. Therefore, we found x and y. Therefore, number of 50 notes is equal to 10. Number of 100 notes is equal to 15. This will be x value, this will be our y value. Okay, we found the number of notes of 50s and number of notes of 100s. Okay, then we are going to our fifth subdivision. A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. It is a very important question in the point of board of examinations. Okay, there is a fixed price for first 3 days, and the following days, after 3 days, we will be applying an additional charge for each day thereafter. Therefore, Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days and Sushi paid 21 for 5 days. Okay, we need to find the fixed charge and the charge. Okay, let x be the fixed charge. In our fifth subdivision, we will be taking two variables, which is fifth subdivision. Let x be the fixed charge, y be the charge for each extra day. Okay, This is the formula which will be paid by each fixed charge plus the next term will be number of additional days into charge per day, charge for each extra day. Okay, this is the formula we are going to use in this subdivision. It is a very important. It is not a formula, it is a concept behind the question. Okay, the given first, who is the first? Sarita paid 27 for 7 days. We don't know the fixed charge. Fixed charge will be X plus the additional days. There is a common day policy which is for 3 days. Therefore, for the additional day, we are subtracting with 3. And the charge is Y is equal to 27. Therefore, X plus 5Y equal to 27. 4y equal to 27, which will be the equation number 1. And the second guy, C, which is 21 for 5 days. Therefore, x plus 5 minus 3 into y equal to 21. That is x plus 2y equal to 21. So, will be our second equation. Using elimination method, we are going to solve. Try to mention the elimination method in the paper. Therefore, 2 minus 1 minus minus minus. Cancel 2y equal to 6. Y equal to 3. Substitute y in equation number 2. Therefore, the second equation we have x plus 2 into 3 equal to 21, which is x plus 6. X plus 6 is equal to 21, therefore x is equal to 15. Therefore, fixed charge equal to x, which is equal to 15 rupees. Okay, rupees 15. And the charge per extra day, which is equal to y, which is equal to rupees 3. Okay, as per the board point of view, this sum, the fifth subdivision, is very important, so note it down. And there is another question which is in our example, which is also a very important question. There will be a same concept in that question also. Okay, thank you.